Okay, 2 and 3, some minor changes is required. So we have to add a favicon icon with user and another list item reports. So because we will work on reports, and we will let's add the report list item, and the jQuery or Bootstrap JS is not working, and let's fix that issue and why it is not giving us. Okay, let's see our Bootstrap is including or not. So CSS is included, and when we go down, here is our main container of content and the body and HTML, but scripted file is not here. And I think we have not yet included the scripted file. So we have just included our head, nav is the main container, and we have errors, content, footer, and this is a single file script. Okay, I think script is not. So include partials. So it is in a partial with name underscore script, and you can also find a control P underscore script. Uh, these are our script file. We have to include it, and we have included. Okay, and let's jump to our browser, refresh, and see. So it is now popping up. So we have our drop down list, name, profile, and logout. Okay, let's fix one other issue, users. We have to add space NBSP, and this code is for to add space, and we required an icon, favicon icon, so not a favicon icon, font awesome icon, which is class fa user, and let's see. So it's not a user. So uh, fa user. Uh, it's right fa user. Let's see one more time, and so it's now. So we have a fa icon for user. Okay, let's create another one for reports, and here it is the reports, and for fa I. So you can see the font awesome icon in font awesome website, so that you can find the code. So I have remembered this code. So we have now fa report. So this slightly goes up, and if this div and this div, let's style no. style margin left 5 pixel. No. Okay, it's not working with the style, and we have a container. Let's include a row. It will fix it. So row under a container, we just put our navbar mm, into a row. So comment it and row and nav bar container. So we will remember it. So it will be easy to remember your code. Okay, and now it's in a row and it is fixed. So link are working, and we have a user reports, search farm, and we have button search and fabric image and our debug knowledge. So our navbar is complete, and we have just completed our templates, main templates layout and partials, heads, navbar, and the script. One file is, I think, is left. Let's footer, and we'll wind up this footer and the basic setup. Okay, and the partials, resources and partials. We have a footer, and under footer we will create a row class row, and under that row we need another div column small 12, and under that column 12 we need a column small 10, 10 column, and with offset. So uh, with offset column small offset 1. Let's create it. It didn't create it. Okay, nav row under column 12, and this one column small 10, and we required a column offset. The offset will decrease because 12 column is the grid system. So we have to complete 12 column grid system. So 10 is the column, and it will left in two, I think so, two sides from left and two from right grid. So offset 1. So one from left and one from two. So it will become two grid system, and 2 plus 10 is will become total 12 grid system. So Bootstrap using a 12 grid system. So we can segregate our by div. So okay, under that we need a div class nav, and it will be nav bar inverse. So, so the inverse will black out the nav bar inverse and footer. Uh, nav and nav bar inverse and footer. Okay, so let's add some text in footer, and we need a paragraph, and this time I will copy some code and place it into a div, so which is a paragraph. And paragraph we have a span developed by, and this is my name, and span special courtesy, this is my friend Akil Ahmed, who is also a web developer. And a website link, a span email, you, we run under outlook.com, and WhatsApp number. So if you face any issue during application, you can send me message on my course. You can put question. You can reach out through email, and you can reach out through WhatsApp. You can reach out to from Twitter. So I will definitely answer your queries. And let's see our footer is looks like. So footer is looks, but it's mm, let's style. Mm, mm, Style color white. So it's not fitting on a 12, mm, uh, 10 column small, 12, 10, offset is 1, and if nav bar inverse footer. And where it is footer. Let's exclude from our main container and put it here. Container fluid and set it to style or align center. So footer will, so we will set the footer. So the main purpose is to show the footer. Now this time is footer is set, navbar is set, and we will jump to our migrations. So we will create our migrations first. We will learn our user login registration controller and registration controller, how they works and how Lara will pull the login registration, how the Lara will redirect the reset login user emails to its pages, and we will put some our data into our login registration according to our requirements. And from that we will create our schema build. So we will learn how we build our schema and we will do it. So hopefully we are on a track, right? And it will work.